for the z component, we have this del of x a of y minus del of y a of x. Okay, we will expand this first of all. So let me okay, so no, this is a vector, right? The del cross a. Now we have to take the dot product with the b, right? So dot product will give bx del y a of z. Okay, so what we are doing, expanding. Okay, let me explain it. So we take the bx x cap plus by y cap plus bz z cap dot product with these vector, right? So the x will be x multiply. Okay, so the bx del y, we are multiplying bx with this component az minus b of x del z ay. Okay, so this is the first term, plus the second term will be by will multiply by this term del z ax minus by del x az plus the third term. So bz will be multiplied by this term bz del x ay minus bz del y ax, right? So this is the final equation for the first term, right? If we take the second term, so what we have to do is to replace this a with the b and b with the a. So final form, in the final form I will do that del cross b. So it is gonna look like, okay, so ax del y bz minus, so we are just replacing b with the a with the b, minus ax del z by plus this ay del z bx minus ay del x bz plus az del x by minus az del y b of x bx, not b of x, it is bx, right? Okay, so everything looks correct. A b a b b b a x y z x y z x y z x y z x y z, right? This is a b y. Okay, so yes, everything looks correct. Now, so we have to compare this and this with the LHS term, right? So first of all, so these are both of them are scalar quantity. So we have to directly compare it. We don't have to look for the x cap, y cap, and z cap direction, right? So yeah, so let me see whether all the terms are on the LHS is whether equal to the RHS or not. So ay del x bz, ay del x bz, where is it? Okay, so ay del x bz. Okay, yeah, one thing that I forgot over here, that we have minus sign over here, right? So we have to introduce the minus sign, right? We have to introduce the minus sign. So all the minus will convert into plus, and plus will be converted into minus, right? So let's add the minus sign, right? Now I'm cancelling, I'm just comparing, not cancelling, I'm comparing this term, right? So ay del x bz, ay del x bz, right? Again we have this bz del x ay. Okay, let's first deal with this ay as a coefficient, right? I mean the a term at the initial. So where are those terms? This is the first, second, third. Okay, and then we have here, right? So az del y bx, az del y bx, yes, ax del z by, ax del z by. And for the minus sign, we have this az del x by, az del x by, ax, okay, ay del z bx, ay del z bx, ax, okay, so az, I mean, okay, these two are same, az del x by, az del x by, and this is this term. And similarly, if you compare these two, so all of this is gonna equal to the remaining of the terms. So this is the proof, right? So finally we have proved that del dot a cross b is equal to the b dot del, yeah, is gonna equal b dot del cross a minus a dot del cross b. Okay, is it? Yes.